drinking. You know, yeah. Circles always small, keep a certain few. Only ever us, just the perfect crew. People ask for help, can we work with you? Got me on the verge of rude. If I may ask you kindly, please fuck off, I got work to do. Moving on, every day improving on. Came a long ways, they're like, damn G, you're stupid on. Something must be in the water, let us know what you be on. Studying my moves and they follow every groove we on. Bad idea to go bad on us. Hop off the bus and get left in a path of dust. Imagine us, if I don't help them, they get mad and fuss. Then they turn bitch and talk shit and start acting sus. Chips are down and my hands are flush, so I flip them off while I grab my nuts. You ain't catching us, Improper grammar, sorry grandma, but I had to cuss. Fuck them, now I see why these fuckboys mad at us. Heard they was talking sideways, oh word, that's what they say. I would say it's sad to see you go, but I never gave a fuck about you anyway. Oh well. Lately I've been living so swell. If you ain't fucking with us, so well. Phony homies always trying to ride the coattail. And don't I know it so well. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah. New deals working out, how my money stays in shape, always draped in some APC or bathe the nape. Life changed on the day Taz played the tape. I reflect on the journey as I chill and hit the vape. Now I'm here, bitch. Need a Rory, not a Subaru. Only coming through the party if I get my crew into 20 deep, no IEDs, move them through. Leave, there's no room for you. Every time you take the stage, they boo at you. Moving me and gas, never losing steam. Rap game DiCaprio, I should be on the movie screen. But the labs where I'm usually seen, pussy boys throwing sneak shots, I'm like, who you mean? No shades of gray here, my wardrobe is jet black. Fuck boys beware here, that's your cue to get back. Regardless of setbacks, I do what I'm best at, that's spit facts. Bless tracks and fuck hoes and get stacks. Heard they was talking sideways, oh word, that's what they say. I would say it's sad to see you go, but I never gave a fuck about you anyway. Oh well. Lately I've been living so swell. If you ain't fucking with us, so well. Phony homies always trying to ride the coattail. And don't I know it so well.
low, I am no rap god, rap god. Do whatever that I gotta do, I guarantee it isn't that hard, that hard. I gotta get better and kill it, but I keep it real, no fuck sauce, fuck sauce. There ain't no competition, I murder this motherfucker Charles Manson, Manson. Now give me the time and I'll be blowing your mind, cause I'm another lyricist. I was a cynical child, the innocence of heaven in the rich. You never really noticed that my flow was fucking ridiculous, picking the pitiful, never subliminal, no sentence, but I sang, I'm a goddamn monster. Call me necrophiliac, I feel I'm on a level that most of these other niggas never really come close to. I hope you notice me, I spit it focusly, this is my passion, devoted. I can't quit, I came in and conquered by constantly practicing, passing these peons and pleading for peace. I'm a beast and I treat all these beats like a feast. I don't need with delusional idiots, so inconsiderate fuck. Did it by yourself because nobody wanna help, but when I'm reaching for the belt, I keep it ringing like a bell. But I can tell they wanted something fake, I will make them, I'm making amends for my sins with a hyphen. I bring it like a hymen. When I speak the big attention, I dimension, I defend it with a real caution. I'm living lawless, a nigga heartless, a fucking flawless. I want it all and I bet it, I've been to get it. I've been living like a superstar, patient, pacing in my isolation. I could barely even think, so I've been giving the truth, looking for some peace of mind. So can I get it from you? But negative type of do, no, I never had to groove. My confidence is low, I am no rap guy, rap guy. Do whatever that I gotta do, I guarantee it isn't that hard, that hard. I gotta get better and kill it, but I keep it real, no fuck sauce, fuck sauce. There ain't no competition, I murder this motherfucker Charles Manson, Manson. You can hand me the torch, I be carrying that. I fell in love with the pain, I be marrying that. But if I take it from these niggas, I'm not giving it back. I figured the flow was kinda forming a voice in my own opinion, depending if it was given by the nigga that you hear right now, right now. Got a positive aspect, a literal misfit. These motherfuckers hate them, but the silence convincing. I'm remedy itching, a little bit of patience. I pray that I have that. I rap ass and tap bastards with a backlash, fat ass, money mustaches out of knapsack, going up and down. My temperament is a NASDAQ, cash rad, never distract. I'm giving contact, impact, nigga attack. You gotta step back, bitch. I'm independent, but never signing a contract. Never understood why you motherfuckers would want that. Better get away from me before I give you a dirt nap. Hurling, it hurts and concerning. I'm a surgeon with words and emerging to the sentence. I'm finna for my leisure, leaving a leech. I proceed to the thesis. I wrote it from the bleachers. I hold like I see this, living on the sideline, feeling like a genius. Tell me why the fuck you wanna style on creativity? You listen to the sound of you hearing something that's brand new. Murder any instrumental, man, this I can't do.
Like something's about to happen. But I don't know.
I wonder what it's like not to worry. I wonder what it's like not to care. I wonder what it's like to have money in the bank. I wonder what it's like to be a billionaire. And we sing la da 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 da, don't worry. And we sing la da 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 da, da da da. And we sing la da 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 da, don't worry. And we sing la da 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 da, da da da.
I wonder what it's like to be the famous type. I wonder what it's like, but it feels so right when I spend every night up late working on the same shit with other people who will probably never make it. Yo, it's so